Guangxi LiuGong Group Co., Ltd. As a pioneer in China's construction machinery industry, LiuGong has been driven by innovation for 66 years, continuously advancing product diversification and integrated solution upgrades. From core technology R&D to production quality control, LiuGong embeds innovation throughout its entire manufacturing process. Amid the wave of smart manufacturing, LiuGong partners with Shining 3D, introducing its metrology products, including multiple 3D scanners from Shining 3D Metrology brand, adapted to various measurement scenarios in high-end construction machinery manufacturing processes. Leveraging high-precision 3D measurement as a pivot to transform dimensional inspection in large-scale equipment manufacturing, enhancing product quality, and injecting precision-driven efficiency into production. Today, the structural design of construction machinery covers has become increasingly complex. Some key components must not only meet performance requirements, but also achieve energy efficiency and aesthetic design. More and more products adopt freeform surface designs, making it difficult to measure them accurately with traditional tools such as tape measures. However, Shining 3D scanners are unaffected by complex geometries or workpiece size limitations and can be easily deployed for on-site measurement. With traceable capabilities, they have become a key tool in LiuGong's quality control system.
对我们一些覆盖件，它可能就是形状比较复杂，用我们的常规的一些量具量不了的，所以说我们这是可以通过三维扫描，然后得出那个扫描数据，又和我们的数模进行对比。 对比出来后，我们就可以看到它到底差哪里。
In addition, in the initial manufacturing stage of construction machinery frames, fixtures and jigs are essential, and their positioning accuracy directly affects product quality. During production, high-precision 3D scanners enable rapid on-site 3D inspection of fixtures, offering portability and efficiency, with minimal production downtime, ensuring critical dimensional accuracy, and geometric tolerances meet specification requirements.
工程讲究还涉及到比较多一些空间尺寸，用常规的量具量起来就是量得不是很准。我们也可以通过这个三维扫描把那个夹具的实物给扫描出来，然后再和数据进行对比，看一下到底也是误差在哪里。
In product innovation and R&D, 3D scanners are also a vital tool for LiuGong. For legacy products with missing design data, engineers can directly capture 3D data from physical parts to complete reverse modeling. This not only solves the issue of secondary development without drawings, but also shortens the design cycle. For example, when a cab requires redesign, 3D scanning significantly improves efficiency.
对一些就是我们的老产品，可能我们之前设计的时候已经没有数模了，或者数模遗失了。 然后我们可以通过扫描实物油画对它进行升级。这个扫描的话，感觉就是那个效率比较高，精度也很高，所以用起来也是觉得就是比较好用吧。
From precise quality inspection to reliable machining assurance, and to efficient design innovation, high-accuracy 3D scanning technology has been deeply integrated into multiple stages of LiuGong's manufacturing process, helping the company continuously improve operational efficiency and achieve high-quality development. Shining 3D will continue to advance the R&D and application of 3D scanning technology to serve the construction machinery industry and broader manufacturing sectors, providing more precise and efficient and convenient digital 3D measurement solutions.